What's up guys, Shane Starnes here, and the Galaxy S20 Ultra is one of the most expensive phones that I've ever used. That being said, if I'm going to carry this phone around, I'm going to carry it with a rugged case that's going to protect it from impact and drops. In this video, we're going to be checking out the i-Blason Aries series case for the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Big shout outs to i-Blason for sponsoring this video. Let's go ahead and get started. We've got the Aries cases here, and then i-Blason was also nice enough to send out an extra Cosmo case. So I guess we'll take a look at it first. This is going to be for the lady in your life, but it's going to have a similar design to the Heiress case. It's just going to have that more feminine look and feel to it. So you've got a really nice design there on the back, and it has kind of that metallic rose gold look on the front with those accents there as well on the back. So we'll kind of set this to the side and dive deeper into the Heiress cases. The Heiress case by i-Blason is going to give you 360-degree protection. This has actually been certified by CNET for drop test at up to 20 feet. It is also military standard drop protection, and we're going to have to install this a little differently because it does include fingerprint capabilities, so it's compatible with the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, but because of that, we're going to have to make sure that we get a good install on this. So before you get started here, you're going to want to make sure to clean the display, and I prefer these Zeiss lens cleaning wipes. I actually picked up this tip from Zetomax, Max Lee, and I'll include a link to his channel below as well, but he kind of turned me on to these lens cleaning wipes. They're actually meant for camera lenses, which you know that they're going to be soft enough to use on your cell phone. They won't scratch a camera lens. They're not going to scratch your phone. So we'll go ahead and clean off the front of the phone. So it's also very important that you do remove the screen protector that came pre-installed on the Galaxy S20 Ultra. If you do have any other screen protector, go ahead and remove that now. We'll go ahead and open up the phone here. We'll go into our settings, go to your display settings, and then go down here and turn on touch sensitivity. So that should be enabled. It just helps your phone to recognize your fingerprint when you're using a screen protector. So once you have that enabled, we'll go back in here, and more than likely you'll need to go into your biometrics and security, and you'll need to add fingerprints once you do have the screen protector installed. All right, so on the screen protector, we're going to go ahead and take off the front cover, and then we will peel off the protective film on the inside. All right, and then lastly, there's one more bit of film here that we have to peel off. This is protecting the adhesive, so there's actually a bit of adhesive right here, and this prevents any air bubbles from getting between the screen protector and your display. So we'll go ahead and take this off. All right, as soon as you have that peeled off, you'll go ahead and install the screen protector. All right, and as soon as you have the screen protector installed, you're going to flip that over and then just kind of firmly press where that adhesive is on the screen protector. So give that a good firm press for a few seconds there so that you're sure that it applies, and then you'll go ahead and test that fingerprint scanner. All right, so I've turned off the screen here, and I'm just going to test the fingerprint scanner, and as you can see, it's working perfectly. So I'll do that again, and I'll test that fingerprint scanner, and it works flawlessly with the Heiress screen protector. So now that we have the screen protector installed, we can remove the protective film on the case itself, and then we'll install this from the bottom first. So just kind of slide that in bottom first, and then snap in the edges up top. As far as the case is concerned, the design here, you've got a clear back. This is hard plastic with softer TPU on the sides. We do have harder TPU bumpers in the corners there for maximum drop protection. And you've got dust protection on the port there at the bottom as well. Button covers are tactile, and I don't see these wearing out over time. You do have a little bit of the i-Blason branding there on the side with the button covers. I do like the fact that the edges are raised around the camera so that if you did drop the phone on its back, you're not going to damage that camera, which is probably the most important part of the Galaxy S20 Ultra. So as you can see, I don't know if you can see that, but this is raised past the camera. So the camera bump is pretty large, but this is raised above the camera so that you get full protection over the camera itself. Overall, this case is pretty thin and light, especially with the impact resistance it's going to provide your phone. That about wraps it up for this review of the i-Blason heiress case for the Galaxy S20 Ultra. This one's only going to set you back about $30. I'll be sure to include a link in the description of where you can pick yours up today. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.